What are you thinking about? Hey, Sam. You've been quiet for a while. What are you thinking about?
Oh, just life, I guess. You know, where I'm going and what I want to do next.
Yeah, I get that. It's hard when there are so many choices, but none of them seem clear.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel like I'm just stuck, not moving forwards. Do you ever feel like that?
All the time, but I think it's normal. We're all trying to figure things out.
I know, but I can't.
Trust me, Sam. No one really has it all figured out. It's okay to take things one step at a time.
Thanks, Lily. It helps to hear that. Maybe I'm just thinking too much.
Maybe, but that's okay too. Just remember, you're not alone in this.
Yeah, I appreciate you being here.
My computer crashed. Okay, almost done with this report. Just a few more paragraphs. What? No, not now. Hey, Jane, what's wrong? My computer just crashed. I was right in the middle of my report. Oh no, did you save your work? Not recently. I was so focused on finishing it. Let me call IT for you.
Hi, I heard you have a computer issue?
Yeah, it just crashed while I was working on an important report.
Let's see what we can do.
Do you think you can recover my report?
I'll do my best. Good news, the computer is running again. Bad news, the unsaved work is gone.
Oh no, I have to rewrite everything.
I'm sorry about that. Remember to save your work often and think about using cloud storage.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your help. At least you can start over. Better luck this time. Yeah, lesson learned. Thanks for calling IT, Sarah. No problem, Jane. Good luck with the report. Back to square one. All right, let's get this done.
Could you help me move this heavy bookshelf to the other room?
Hey, Ben, could you help me move this heavy bookshelf to the other room? Sure, just let me put my coffee down. Thanks. I've been trying to shift it all morning. Did you empty the shelves? Yeah, I took out all the books and photo frames. Good call. Where are we moving it? To the guest room down the hall. All right, lift with your knees, not your back. Got it. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Ugh, it's heavier than I thought. Yep, solid wood. Let's set it down for a second. No problem. Need a break? Just a quick one. I didn't expect it to be this awkward to carry. Want to tilt it sideways? That might work. Okay, ready again? Ready. Thanks for the help, man. Anytime. What are friends for?
My phone battery is dead. Sarah, I have an important call to make. Oh, really? What's the call about? I need to call my boss about a meeting. Oh no, my phone's dead. Do you need to borrow my charger? Yes, please. That would be great. Here you go. Do you need an outlet? Yes, where's the nearest one? There's one by the table over there. Thanks, Sarah. I really appreciate it. No problem, Jane. Happy to help. How long does it take to charge? About 10 minutes should be enough. Oh, that's fast. Do you often forget to charge? Sometimes, especially when I'm busy. Maybe we need a portable charger. I forgot my wallet at home.
Let's go for lunch.
Oh, yes, coming. Oh no, I forgot my wallet at home.
No problem. I can lend you some money.
Oh my, thank you. You're a lifesaver.
How much do you need?
Just $10 should be enough.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, David. I'll pay you back tomorrow.
No problem. Don't worry about it.
I can't believe I forgot my wallet.
Well, I'm not surprised, you and your goldfish memory.
David!
Ha ha ha. Just kidding. But make sure to double check next time.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Now, let's enjoy our lunch.
The internet is too slow. Oh, the internet is too slow.
What's wrong?
Lucas, the internet at home is too slow today. It's making it hard to work.
Have you tried restarting the router?
Yes, I've done that, but it didn't help.
Maybe there's a problem with the service provider. Did you call them?
Not yet. I wasn't sure what to say.
I can help you with that. Do you have their number?
Yes, I have it here. Thank you, Lucas.
No problem. Let's call them now. Hello, my internet is very slow today. Can you help me?
Sure, let me check your connection.
Do you know how long it will take to fix?
It should be resolved within a few hours.
Thank you for the information.
The light bulb is out. Oh, great. The light bulb is out.
Do we have a spare bulb?
I think I have one in the cabinet. Let me check. Yep, found one.
Do you need a ladder to reach it?
Yeah, I'll grab the step stool. Can you hold it steady for me?
Sure thing. Be careful.
Thanks, Emily.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, I think I'm good. There, that should do it. Let's see if it works.
Great job, Jane.
Jane, you've got a bit of dust on your nose. You look like a coal miner. Great, now I just need a pickaxe and a helmet. I locked myself out. These chips are so good. By the way, did you hear about the chip and cheese restaurant that opened downtown?
Yeah, I heard it's amazing. We should go check it out this weekend.
Definitely. Oh, the trash is full. Let's take it out.
Sure, let's go. So, what else is new?
Not much. Just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Hey, the weather is so beautiful today.
Yeah, done. Let's go back inside. Oh no, the door.
Did we bring the keys?
No, we didn't. I locked myself out. Oh my god, we're stuck outside? What do we do now?
How about we go to the neighbors to call a locksmith?
Yeah, good idea. I can't open this jar. Ugh, I can't open this jar.
Need some help with that?
Yes, please. This jar is so hard to open. Let me give it a try. Wow, this really is stuck.
I've been trying for the past 5 minutes. I even tried tapping it on the counter.
Have you tried running it under hot water? Sometimes that helps.
I didn't think of that. Let's try it.
Still stuck. Do you have a rubber glove? It might help us grip it better.
Yes, I have one under the sink.
Oh, got it, finally.
You're amazing, Emily. Thank you.
No problem. Sometimes it just takes a bit of teamwork.
I'll definitely remember these tricks for next time.
Always happy to help.
I can't find my glasses. Hey, Emily, what's up?
I can't find my glasses. I've looked everywhere.
When did you last have them?
I was reading on the couch last night. I think I fell asleep with them on.
Did you check the couch cushions?
Yes, but I didn't see them. Can you help me look?
Sure. Not here. Did you check the table next to the couch?
Yes, nothing there either.
How about the kitchen? Sometimes you leave them there.
Good idea. Oh, no luck.
Let's retrace your steps. Did you go to your bedroom after reading?
Let's check there.
Not on the nightstand. Maybe under the bed?
Oh, found them. They must have fallen off when I was getting into bed.
Great. Now you can see clearly again.
Thanks so much for your help, Jane. I was starting to panic.
I have a flat tire. Oh no, I have a flat tire.
Hey, Jane, what's going on?
Hi, Mike. I just noticed I have a flat tire. I don't know what to do.
What a bummer. Do you have a spare tire and a jack?
I think so. Let me check. Yes, here they are.
Great. I can help you change it. Have you ever changed a tire before?
No, I haven't. I wouldn't know where to start.
No worries. Count on me. Done. I think it will be okay now.
Thank you so much, Mike. My watch stopped working.
Jane, are you ready to go?
Almost, Emily. I'm just trying to find my watch.
When did you last see it?
I think I left it on my dresser last night.
Here it is. It must have fallen off.
Thanks, Emily. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Let's go, or we'll be late.
Wait a second. Something's wrong.
What's the matter?
My watch stopped working.
Do you want to stop by a store to check your watch?
That's a good idea. I hope it's just the battery and nothing worse.
Oh my. Let's go now. We don't want to be late.
Agreed. Maybe we can get the watch fixed after our appointment.
Sounds like a plan. Ready to head out?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. The washing machine is broken. Emily, we have a problem.
What's wrong?
The washing machine is broken.
Oh no. What happened?
I was doing laundry and it just stopped working.
That's terrible. Did you try restarting it?
Yes, but it didn't work. It's completely dead.
Maybe we should call a repairman?
I think that's a good idea. Do you know any good repair services?
I can look one up online. Do you have your phone?
Yes, here it is. Thank you, Emily.
Hi, we need a repairman for a washing machine. It stopped working.
Sure, I can come by this afternoon. What's your address?
123 My Street, Kingston.
Okay, I've got it.
Thank you. See you soon.
Did they say when they can come?
Yes, they'll be here this afternoon.
I don't have enough change. Oh no, I don't have enough change.
How much do you need?
I'm short by 50 cents.
Let me check if I have some change. Here you go, 50 cents.
Thanks so much, Alex. I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
Don't worry about it. It's just 50 cents.
Still, I appreciate it.
What did you get?
Just a soda. I really needed something to drink.
Yeah, it's really hot today.
Exactly. And soda's the best option for cooling. I ran out of toothpaste. Emily, I ran out of toothpaste.
Did you check the bathroom cabinet?
Yes, I looked everywhere. There's none left.
Do you need to brush your teeth now?
Yes, I have to leave for work soon.
You can use mine. I have an extra tube in my room.
Really? Thanks, Emily. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Let me get it for you. Here you go. This should last until you can buy more.
Thanks so much. I'll buy a new tube on my way home from work. The power went out. Emily, the power went out.
Do we have candles?
Yeah, I have some in the kitchen. Let me get them.
Great, let's light them up. Hey, since it's dark and spooky, why don't we tell some ghost stories?
That sounds fun. Do you have a good one?
I have one. It's about a haunted house. Ready?
Ready.
Once upon a time, there was an old house at the end of the street. Everyone said it was haunted. People would hear strange noises at night. They heard footsteps, whispers, and sometimes even screams.
That's creepy. What happened next?
One night, a brave man decided to spend the night in the house. He heard the noises too. He followed them to the attic. Suddenly, the door slammed shut behind him. He was trapped. He heard a knock outside the window and saw a shadow.
What did he do?
He tried to escape, but the shadow got closer and closer until...
Oh, what was that?
I don't know, maybe it's just the wind.